Okay, last class we had done till national income and the per capita income. Okay children, now put the heading children, according to World Development Report 2017. Heading is, and please switch on your videos, otherwise I'll keep deleting you. Children, please switch on your videos. Now, according to World Development Report 2017. Now, first point, rich countries. First point, rich countries. Put a dash. PCI above 12,056 dollars. 12,056 dollars. Next, low income countries. Low income countries. $955. $955. Next, middle income countries. Middle income countries. $955. $955 to $12,056. $12,056. Next line, PCI of India is $1820. Now, children, put the next heading, income and other criterias. Income and other criterias. Now, children, we will take, the different states of India, and there are 3 states which they have mentioned. One is Haryana, one is Bihar, and one is Punjab. Now, if we will look at the conditions in all these 3 places, Haryana has a higher income, okay, and Kerala has lower than Haryana, and the least per capita income is in Bihar. But if we see literacy rate, highest in Punjab. If we see infant mortality rate, lowest death rate is in Punjab. Though Haryana has higher income, yet statistics of Punjab are much better than statistics of Kerala are much better than what it is in Haryana. Now, please write, if we compare the states of Kerala, Haryana and Bihar, we find that PCI of Haryana is 162,034 rupees. 44 rupees. Kerala is 140,190 rupees. Bihar is 31454 rupees. Bihar is 3154 rupees. Next paragraph. IMR. IMR. Capital, children, please write it as IMR of Haryana is 33. That means, children, out of every 1,000 children born, 33 children die. Kerala is 10 and Bihar is 38. And Bihar is 38. Next paragraph. Literacy rate. Literacy rate of Haryana is 82. Kerala 94 and Bihar 62. And Bihar 62. Next paragraph. Net attendance ratio. Next attendance ratio of Haryana is 61. Kerala is 83 and Bihar is 43. Now, next paragraph write. Although Haryana has more PCI than Kerala, we find that more children die in Haryana than in Kerala. More children die in Haryana than in Kerala. This clearly proves that money cannot buy all the goods and services we need to live well. All the goods and services we need to live well, such as pollution-free environment, unadulterated unadulterated food, unadulterated food and medicines, unadulterated food and medicines, and prevention from infectious diseases, and prevention from infectious diseases. Now, next paragraph, please write important. Kerala has a low IMR. Kerala has a low IMR because it has adequate provisions. It has adequate provisions of basic health, and educational facilities. This ensures a healthy and nutritional status of the people. Children, note this question has come many times in the board exam. Why does Kerala have a low IMR? Okay, so the answer to that question will be the points I have just dictated. Now put the next heading, other criterias. That is, how would we measure development of a country besides only income? Because only income cannot tell us how good a country is or how good a place is. Haryana has high PCI but low everything else. Okay, and very high death rate of children. So that is not a good indication. Now put other criterias. And please take down, besides PCI, other criteria used besides PCI, other criteria used to measure development are number 1, IMR, in bracket write infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. This indicates the number of children per 1,000 live births who die before the age of before the age of 1 in a year. Before the age of 1 in a year. Number 2, literacy rate. Number 2, literacy rate. This measures the proportion of literate population above 7 years. Above 7 years. Number 3, net attendance ratio. Net attendance ratio. This is the total number of children. This is the total number of children between 6 to 10 years. 6 to 10 years who are attending school. Who are attending school. Number 4, life expectancy. Life expectancy. This denotes the average expected length of life. The average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. For India it is 68.8 years. 68.8 years. Children, I'll end this lesson here, children, and tomorrow we will complete the rest of the lesson.